Upgraded large-size magic practice copybook for kids, handwriting practice workbook, reusable writing practice book for preschools, 4 books with pens, pink bag. Package include pink bag plus 1 alphabet book plus 1 math book plus Mind Sparks WordWall challenge card game, blends, and digraphs. On 10s, 400 cards, 50-page scoring tablet, core standards reference guide, and instruction sheet. Size, 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches cards. Excellent way to reinforce core standards and LR literacy. Multi-levels for all skill levels. Think Tank Scholar 652 sight words / phonics flashcards, learn to read, CVC blends, short / long vowel sounds, Dolchen Fry high frequency sight words plus games, preschool PreK kindergarten 1st 2nd 3rd grade. Covers up to 75% of words used in beginner books including vowel sounds, blended words, beginning sounds. 1 to 8 players. Word list of examples for each of the 4 levels is available online at the MindSparks website. Super Blends includes 11 double-sided blend game boards, 132 blend word pieces with S, R and L blends. It's simple. Players match their blend word pieces to the pictures on their boards. Made with durable material, your new Phonics Blends game will stay strong for years to come. Plus 1 number book plus 1 drawing book plus 2 cartoon pens plus 10 refills plus 2 pen holding aids. Magical reusable function. The matching refill uses magic ink. It can automatically fade in 30 minutes after writing, so the copybook can be used repeatedly.